Hey, and welcome! I hope you've been able to get outside, but if you haven't, I'm going to give you a really good reason today. And that reason is no bake, peanut butter, and chocolate cookies. These are so easy to make on the fire, or at home, or on the barbecue, wherever you are. A great recipe to make with kids. And if you're a first time campfire cook, then this is a really good introduction to campfire cooking. It's easy, it's fun, and it's delicious. Let's do it. So we're gonna put 4 tablespoons or half a stick of unsalted butter cut into chunks into our Dutch oven over a medium fire, and we're just gonna let that melt a little bit. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar, next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Then we're just going to stir this, allowing the butter to melt and the sugar to dissolve. And lastly, we're going to add our cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And just stir it up until everything melts and mixes nicely together, about 5 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it cool a little, stirring so it doesn't stick to the bottom of your Dutch oven. Now add peanut butter, 5 tablespoons of that, 1.5 cups of oats, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and stir vigorously until everything is combined. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope that you're staying safe, that you're able to get outside, and wherever you are, remember, we love you.